Yo, I may cuss, but I don't curse. Let's get that situated first. Virgos, back with another reading for y'all, for us. Everybody's got Virgo in their chart somewhere, right? So, eavesdroppers, cross watchers, you're all welcome to be here. Thanks for being here. I'm showing my gratitude for you being here right now with this reading. It's going to be a 3-card draw. I ain't going to hold you too long. Yo. But I'm not. And the cards are already out here. I didn't bamboozle you, so hear me out. We got the Temperance card in reverse, followed by the World card in reverse, followed by the Lovers. So all major arcana. This is a major reading. This is deeper than what you'd imagine. Now, what I'm first hearing is this. Some of you may be pouring, or should I say, some of you may be in a lake fishing inside of a rowboat with a hole in the bottom of it. And this is something that you need to make sure that you don't continue to do, because it's going to weigh the boat down. It's going to sink. Or you might want to look at this as like pouring water into a glass that has a hole in it. Like, you're just going to make more work for yourself, and nothing is fulfilling. Nothing is building. So what this is showing me as well, as an analogy more clarified, is that, like, if you're doing something in your life right now that is taking away more than it's giving back, more than it's replenishing, stop it or fix it. So like I said, a hole in a boat, a hole in a glass, go fix it. You can fix these things. They're fixable. Fix it. Fix it in order to have the proper balance needed in your life right now. So the same way, and this could be relative to your body as well. So if you feel like there's an ailment going on within yourself, or something that needs to be addressed with your body, go get it checked out. If you don't like doing the doctors, and I understand, I totally get it. Do your own research. Start experimenting yourself at home with your own body, books, even medical equipment. Order some. They got them for sale. They really do. You know what I'm saying? So these things are fixable is my bottom line. Is my point here. And balance is a key word that's here as well. Balance. So that balance can come in the form of moderation. You know, if you smoke cigarettes, a pack a month, not a pack a week, not a pack a day. You understand what I'm saying? Wean yourself off if it's something that you're trying to quit altogether. But if it's something that you can't just quit or kick cold turkey, do it in moderation. That's at least showing the universe that you don't want to completely destroy yourself, right? Some of us have impulses and urges and things of gratification that we just feel we need to get off as an expression of being alive and being in the human form. So be it. I'm not here to judge you upon that. What's being shown here is to have balance and have moderation. It's showing consideration for yourself, because I can tell you firsthand that there are plenty of studies out there that will show you and tell you that a lot of damages done to the self are reversible. They are reversible. So, do with that information what you must. But I feel like it's more encouraging and more empowering than you just plowing through like, you know what, life sucks anyway. Motherfucker gonna die of something anyway. Fuck the doctors are killing everybody. You can't eat anything these days. Like, don't do that. I'm giving you the information that shows you are more powerful than that. Knowledge is infinite out this bitch right now. Like, you can fix it. Like I said, these things are fixable. Now, what you feel like right now, what you're going through right now personally, and this is attached to other people as well. You may not be clear on who exactly these people are. You may have not met them yet, but this is going to be on a grand stage. This is going to be a more fixed approach, should I say? Is fixed the right word that I want to say right now? Maybe not. Just realize that this world card is a bit different when it comes to symbology. I'll tell you this. The people that you meet or are about to meet, or that are part of this world stage that I'm talking about, they embody a lot of elements and qualities about that are varied. It's various. You understand what I'm saying? So there's a spiritual side to the people, or a sector of the people. There's a lovable side to the people. There's a star power side to the people. You understand what I'm saying? This is a conglomerate of what you would call like a dream team of individuals and groups. This could be business related. It could be anything you shape and form your world to be, your consciousness to be. At the same time, this is something that is peaceful. It's something that's peaceful. Now, that might not match some of y'all fly, or it may not match. And what I'm really strongly more feeling is it may not match the fly of other people that want to be with you, that want to be involved with you. And guess what? That is very telling of those people. See what I'm getting here, because the expected outcome is the lovers. So you're on the verge of completing something that is, I feel like, physical or tangible, but also it's like a project. And this project, or this tool that you've built, is going to be the unifying factor for this world stage group of people that I'm talking about. And people that come into contact with you who don't seek balance, who don't seek guidance, like they don't even believe, like there's some people out there that seek guidance and not take the advice or the guidance that they sought. There are people that will go to readers and everything, tarot readers, I don't know about astrologers, but there are people that hear a tarot reading and be like, nope, not me, when it is them though. You know what I'm saying? It's different if it don't apply, let it fly. This ain't your reading, ain't your reading. But some people could really hear stuff. It's just like going to G-Mom, going to Big Mom, or someone who's wise in the community. You go get their advice and then you hear what you just despise to hear. You don't want to hear it. You don't want it to be true. There are people like that who like you. Just keeping it a bean. And when you encounter those people, listen to me clearly. Those people have not made the proper correction to their own behavior to where they align with you. So the relationship cannot be sustainable. It cannot even be obtained. It should not be established. Now, you got free will. You can do what you want to do. But if you tell yourself, you know what, sometimes relationships are a challenge. You got to go after what you want. Then you're going to fool yourself. Because relationships should not be hard. They should not be a challenge. They should not have you sacrifice who you are. They should not have you doing things that you would not normally do for the sake of pleasing them. That's not what's for you. Your relationship is something that is harmonious. And again, that may not, the way that you'll know how to differentiate these people or these potential lovers, the people that want to get close to you, is that some people are going to try to cause chaos in your life, or some type of rift, or some type of you going out of your way to make them happy, to make them the meal ticket, to make them the special deal, or whatever the case may be. That is not going to be in harmony. That is not going to be in sync. And should you do that, you're just delaying the potential for true love. And what I'm also seeing here is that love is a universal language, meaning if you're not committed, it doesn't mean you don't love and that you're not loved and that you're not loving other people. So if you got two people in your inbox right now and both messages are harmonious and you feel that spark, you feel that love, you feel that harmony, you feel that union, that's love. That's all you need to chalk it up to. You don't need to identify as, oh, that got to be the one right there. Or I can't answer one of those messages because again, you'll be fooling yourself. You're doing that for who? Who's the one person that you're committed to that you can honestly say, you know what, they deserve for me to be canceling other love correspondence out of my day? Just keep it in the beans for the reader. If it don't apply, let it fly. Until next time, I'm out of here.